There's a bunch of machine learning, IoT, cloud tools that only run on Linux. And the beautiful thing about the Windows Subsystem for Linux is it lets you run Linux apps as first-class citizens because you're actually running on Linux. But I've run in a couple situations where on the Linux side, I use some tool, in this case Brev, but there are others that only run on Linux. And they generate credentials that I'd like to be able to use on the Windows side so that my GUI apps, or maybe I just want to use the browser on Windows and use those credentials. And in this case, it's SSH credentials, and I'm just pointing at the Brev directory here as an example. It turns out that the Linux file system is mounted into the Windows file system as a network drive, and that means that you can actually see those credentials or other home directory files, or anything really, inside your Windows file system. Super easy, and the two terminal windows here show that. One of them is doing a listing on the .brev directory in the home directory on a Linux subsystem, and the other is showing the network mount. And the network mount can either be the WSL dollar you see here, or it can be wsl.localhost, either way. And that way you can just reach those from your tools. There are situations where that network mount won't work in a Windows tool, and in that case you may need to mount the disk or copy the credentials over, but you can do that all from Windows. You don't have to run some weird thing into the Linux subsystem to get that. So hopefully that's useful for you for getting creds and other things from your WSL instance into your Windows main machine. Have a great day.